Yes, next question please. In how many ways can 5 different balls be distributed among 2 boxes?
Sir, can you repeat?
5 balls are there, different balls are there. They must be distributed in 2 boxes. How many ways you can distribute it? Question is, how many ways we can distribute these 5 balls in 2 boxes? What we do here, first ball we... Yes. First ball if I take, I have 2 options. Anywhere I can place it, so can be done by 2 ways. Second also have 2 options. Third also have 2 options. Fourth also have 2 options. Fifth also we have 2 options. So answer will be 2 power 5. One more question in this can be asked, that how many ways are there in which, again we are distributing in 2 boxes, no box remain empty. No box remain empty. 5 balls to be distributed among 2 boxes, such a way that no box remain empty. कोई भी खाली नहीं रहना चाहिए, कम से कम एक बॉल आनी चाहिए. 2 power 5, that means 32 cases in all we have, in which all the cases are there, in which you will find that this box remain empty, this is totally filled, or this remain empty, this is totally filled. All the cases will be there, and what I want in this case, that these 2 cases should not be there, because if this remain empty, this will be full. We don't want that. Maybe the other way. So that means 2 cases are still there in 32 cases, which we don't want in the question. So my answer come out to be 32 minus 2. Answer will be 30. So 30 cases are there in all we have. Another question right now, please. 5 balls are there. 5 balls are there, and to be distributed in 3 boxes. How many ways I can do this? How many ways we can do this? And second part,
3:5.
no box remain empty. Second part of the question, no box remain empty. First one, the total cases, if we want to take, first ball can be placed in 3 ways. Second can be also placed by 3 ways. Yes. Third will be by 3 ways. Fourth will be by 3 ways. Fifth will be by 3 ways. So total cases will be 3 power 5. It is how much? 243 cases. Now I want the case in which no box remain empty.
240.
Yes?
237.
237.
6 केसेस आपके ऐसे होंगे जिसमें बॉक्स एम्प्टी रहेगा. अगर हम माने एक एम्प्टी है तो इट कैन बी दिस इज एम्प्टी फिल्ड फिल्ड, मे बी दिस इज एम्प्टी दिस इज फिल्ड एंड फिल्ड, मे बी दिस इज एम्प्टी दिस इज फिल्ड एंड फिल्ड,
2 empty and
then 2 empty, 1 and 2 empty, this is filled, this empty filled, this is empty, then
this is filled.
this is filled, this is empty empty. So total 6 cases are there which we don't want in the question, so we should say minus of 6 to be done. So answer will be 237 cases are there in which what you will find, no box remain empty. Next question please. In how many ways, or how many 4-digit natural numbers, how many 4-digit natural number not exceeding 4,321. How many?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Yes, I'll repeat. How many four-digit natural number not exceeding 4,321 are there, which can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, which can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, if the digit can repeat. If the digit can repeat. Repetition of the digit is allowed, but the number should not exceed 4,321. 4 डिजिट का नंबर चाहिए और इससे बड़ा नहीं होना चाहिए. इसके इक्वल हो सकता है, but should not be exceed this. So that is the question we have. No number should exceed 4,321. Should be formed by the digits 1, 2, 3, 4.
64 cases.
64 cases. 64 is answer, no. The number should be of 4 digit, should not exceed 4,321. That is my question. Just check here.
256.
No,
Sir, 133.
no. Just check here. This is a good question. Just listen carefully. When you want the number of 4 digit and should not exceed this. So one thing we know that if the number starts with 1 or it is start with 2 or start with 3, always remain less than this or no. 1,000 something हो, 2,000 something हो, 3,000 something हो, नंबर अगर इस तरह का है तो वो आपका इससे कम होगा. इसका मतलब first digit can be either 1, 2 and 3. That is the required number we have. So we will say it will be done by 3 ways. How many possibilities are here? 4. This is 4 and this is 4 because repetition is allowed. Find out what total comes. This one.
So 192.
192 numbers are here. We have taken the numbers which start with 1, 2 and 3. They are definitely come out to be less than this. So we have taken that number 192. Second one, the number starts with 4. If the number starts with 4 and if it comes 1 and 2 here, it will still remain less. 4,100, 4,200 will be less than 4,300. इसका मतलब यहाँ आपकी 2 possibilities आ रही हैं, then it can be anything 4 and 4. So I got it 32 cases. Now coming with the third case where 3 will be at the second place. 4, 3. अगर यहाँ 1 आता है तो भी नंबर छोटा होगा. So this is one way, and here it comes out to be 4. So we will say only 4 ways are here. 4,311, 11, 13, 14. ये 4 नंबर होंगे यहाँ पे, वही आगे. Then one number will be there which will be 4, 3, 2 हो जाए यहाँ पे. अगर यहाँ 2 होता है तो केवल यहाँ 1 हो सकता है. Because it should not exceed that, it should include it. So 1, 1, 1, 1, it is the answer 1. So how many numbers are there? One is 192, another is 32, and 4 is here and 1 is here. 229 is the total numbers we have, which will be not exceeding 4,321 and they will be of 4 digit.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, when we are taking case in which the first digit is 4 and the second one Sir, it can be 1, 2, 3, so there will be 3
Now it can be
possibilities.
no, every time 3 when you take, it will not be greater. 3 are taken separately because after 3 there will be 2 also.
So, sir, 1.
ये रहा 1 वाला, ये रहा केस 4 3 1, ये रहा 4 3 2, ये रहा 1
तो
और
सर
2
अपन सिर्फ 1 और 2 का ही लेंगे, 1 2 3 का नहीं ले सकते
3
साथ
का
में.
लेते ही तो बड़ा हो जाएगा नंबर, 4 3 3 तो बड़ा हो गया.
यस सर.
अगर आपने यहाँ 3 रख दिया तो ये अपने आप बड़ा हो जाएगा, तो दैट यू कांट टेक. तो इसीलिए मैंने 1 का केस अलग लिया है, 2 का केस अलग लिया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. There are 10 lamps in the hall. There are 10 lamps in a hall. Each one of them can be switched on independently. Each one of them can be switched on independently. Find the number of ways in which the hall can be illuminated. In how many ways the hall can be illuminated? There are 10 lamps in a hall. Can be switched on independently. सबके लिए अलग-अलग switches हैं. How many ways the hall can be illuminated? Illuminated means at least one bulb should glow. सारे ऑफ करोगे तो नहीं चलेगा, बट कम से कम एक बल्ब आपका ग्लो करना चाहिए. एक से ज्यादा ग्लो करेंगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एक करेगा तो भी ग्लो करेगा. Yes. First one, how many ways you can on and off the switch? हर स्विच पे कितने ऑप्शन है आपके पास? 2 ऑप्शन है, या तो आप ऑन करेंगे या ऑफ करेंगे. पहले बल्ब के लिए ऑन ऑफ के 2 केसेस, सो इट कैन बी ऑपरेटेड बाय 2 ways. Second bulb can be operated by 2 ways. Third can be operated by 2 ways. So on. That will be last will be operated by 2 ways. So total ways will be 2 power 10. This will be the case in which all the possibilities are there. एक बल्ब आपने ग्लो किया वो भी पॉसिबिलिटी है, 2 किए तो भी पॉसिबिलिटी है, 3 किए तो भी पॉसिबिलिटी है, 10 are glowing, that is also possibility. And that is also the possibility when we don't on any of the switch. All are in off situation, that is also there. What you want in the answer that the switch should be, at least one switch should be on or at least one bulb should glow. अगर one bulb glow करना है इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? एक केस इसमें से ऐसा है जो glow नहीं करेगा. So 2 power 10 minus 1, 2 power 10 आपका.
Sir, can you please again explain this, sir?
Question says
Sir, from
that,
yes, sir.
okay.
That 2 part in.
Each switch have 2 options. Either you will on it or off it. Second switch again 2 option. Third also 2 options. So how many ways you can operate these switches? Whatever the number of operation, that will be deciding the number of bulb is going to glow or going to be off. So we will say the total ways will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Either first one when you take, you will on it or off it. सेकंड का भी यही करोगे, ऑन करोगे या ऑफ करोगे, वो चॉइस आपकी है. 2 वे से चॉइस है. थर्ड में भी आपके पास 2 चॉइस है. सो वी विल से 10 switches are there, so we will say 2 power 10 are the total choices. In these choices, what you will find,
Okay, sir.
all the cases are there in which you have taken 1 switch on, maybe 5 switch on, maybe 10 switch on, maybe none of them on. I want that none of them must be not be taken because I want that the room should glow. That means at least one bulb should glow. तो एक केस ऐसा है जिसमें आपने सबके स्विच ऑफ किए हुए हैं, वो आपको माइनस करना पड़ेगा. That will be 2 power 10 minus 1. That will be the number.
1023.
1023 will be the